Welcome to our comparison of two popular Ring Video Doorbells. Today, we will look closely at the Ring Video Doorbell, known for its affordability and ease of use, and the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, which offers advanced features and superior video quality. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to price, the Ring Video Doorbell is a budget-friendly option at just $99, making it an attractive choice for those looking for basic functionality. In contrast, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is priced at $149, reflecting its enhanced features and capabilities. While the higher price may deter some, the added benefits could justify the investment for others. In terms of video quality, the Ring Video Doorbell offers 1080p HD video, which provides clear images during the day and night. However, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus takes it a step further with its HD Plus video capability and a head-to-toe field of view, ensuring you don't miss any details. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring packages or visitors at your door. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider. The Ring Video Doorbell typically has a standard battery life, which can vary based on usage. On the other hand, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus boasts a longer battery life, making it more reliable for continuous use. Additionally, it features a quick-release battery for easy charging, enhancing user convenience. In conclusion, both the Ring Video Doorbell and the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus offer unique advantages. If you're looking for an affordable option with solid performance, the Ring Video Doorbell is a great choice. However, if you want advanced features and superior video quality, the Battery Doorbell Plus is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.